I'm currently knitting this sweater with US 4 needles and fingering yarn, and my needles have gotten really dull. So I thought this was a great opportunity to show you how to sharpen your bamboo knitting needles, since a lot of people don't realize that you can. Now, I've already done one of them, so you can see the difference between the two, how this one is much sharper than this. To get started, you need 400 grit sandpaper. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna get this other needle out of the way. Move my stitches back. You're gonna act like you're drawing on the sandpaper or coloring, like you're coloring something in. You're just gonna spin your knitting needle while you do this. So I like to just keep spinning it. Sometimes it can take a while depending on how dull your needle is and how much you need to sharpen it. There's a look. It's sharper, but it's not quite sharp enough, and you can see I need to make sure I'm spinning more on this back end a little bit more. So I'm going to start there. I'm also going to angle it a little bit higher here now so that I'm getting the point a little bit more versus the length of the needle. Looks pretty good. Just going to do a little bit more. I want this really sharp because this is fingering yarn. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm gonna switch to 800 grit. I'm just gonna use this to kind of soften the needle a little bit more, since I kind of roughed it up with that 400 grit, although 400 grit is pretty high grit. But this will help keep it a little bit smoother, and I'm just doing the same thing where I'm spinning it as I kind of draw. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of candle wax and I'm gonna rub it onto the needle, and this will help make your stitches glide a little bit easier and also help protect the wood. Okay, there you go. That is how to sharpen your knitting needles.